Hi, I'm Joel Ward, Managing Broker here at Joel Ward Homes, and I'd like to talk for just a minute or two about our philosophy having to do with managing rental properties. I've owned and managed rental properties here in Champaign-Urbana for over 30 years, and I've worked out a perspective or a point of view that I want to share with you. It starts out with selecting homes that are in neighborhoods which prospective tenants are going to find popular. And for the most part, those are going to be neighborhoods that are in relatively close proximity to the U of I campus. The second step is to place the homes that we manage in absolutely top-notch physical condition, not only taking care of all items of deferred maintenance, but also making whatever improvements we think make sense in order to make the home more marketable. The next thing we do is we do a good, thorough job of marketing the home. The more widely we can expose the properties to the market, we have a greater likelihood of having a higher demand from prospective tenants that enable us to select good quality tenants. Because the homes are in great condition, they're going to be attractive to tenants that want to live in homes that are in great condition. And that's of course the kind of tenant we want, because that's also the kind of tenant that's more likely to maintain the home in good shape. The next important step is tenant selection. We are very, very selective with respect to tenants. We do thorough credit checks, we do income verifications, we look at income ratios much the same way that a mortgage banker would look at ratios. We do the very best we can to develop a good, solid reference from the previous landlord. We especially look at reference material if any pets are involved in the leasing transaction. So we work really hard to manage the risk involved in selecting a tenant. Then the next step after we move the tenant in is we treat the tenant really, really well. We want to fix things right away. We want to make reasonable improvements to the home. We want that tenant to have the absolute best housing experience they can for a variety of reasons, not the least of which is we really want that tenant to renew their lease. Renewing the lease saves you, the homeowner, the costs of a turnover. And in most cases, we are able to raise the rents at least a moderate amount and still get renewals. And so historically we have a very, very high renewal rate. My goal is that we never lose a tenant unless the tenant has to move out of town or has to move into a different home. All of these philosophical points or standards of practice are designed to create an environment where the physical condition of your home is protected and your rate of return on your investment is maximized. So if this philosophy resonates with you, if this is the type of management that you're interested in, feel free to give me a call or contact me through the website.